Guys, oh. Isn't it beautiful?
Gwapo kayo nga nagkuhanan sa adlaw. Wala siyang nag-ano. Amazing. Wow, it's sunset.
Very amazing.
Ito kayo. Wow.
And
Why took up my window?
Ayun. Okay.
this is Jaden and Idsing. We pick up at their school. This is the dad.
That the guy.
And why? Because I've been sunset.
Because I was from work. I hurried up to go home from work.
Guys, maning 8 sa Wising Pyongan.
But you made a
Wising
mistake.
Pyongan
so
is
you go
hospital.
to pick
Pyongan
us
is
up.
hospital.
What mistake?
Ayan. Some of you guys are familiar to this place, right?
Of course.
Yeah. So dito, yeah. Mali,
Bigdong.
bago na dito.
Yawa ng police station ta.
Okay.
Police station diri dan nga. Landmark.
Doon na to yung police station din no?
Ano bago rin kay ano tayo ang kanang building sa Atubangan wala pa ba na before.
Dito na.
Kani ba? Wala na nito.
Ito, bago na yung building. Wala mo din noon dito.